AI is changing work faster than most organizations are prepared for. Technology is moving quickly, but people, leadership, and operating models need time, support, and direction to catch up. Hi, my name is Jesaiah. I'm a partner at BDO, where I lead our HR technology and transformation practice. And in this episode of BDO Explains, I'll talk about why the future of AI needs to remain human-led and how we can do this. One of the biggest misconceptions about AI is that it's here to replace people. People are asking, what happens to my role, my skills, and the value I bring to my organization? The reality is that organizations that are creating the most value are using AI to reduce time spent searching for information, repeating manual tasks, or managing administrative work so that those same employees can focus on higher value contribution. Ultimately, this gives people more room to focus on strategy, decision-making, customer experience, innovation, and growth. AI delivers the most value when it strengthens human capability. The goal is to help employees work with AI in ways that improve productivity, collaboration, and the quality of decisions. Because the future of work is about humans working smarter alongside AI. Right now, organizations know they need to move on AI, but they're still trying to understand what successful transformation actually looks like. What we're seeing is a lot of experimentation across organizations. Teams are using co-pilots, assistants, and AI tools all independently. But without a clear strategy tied to workforce adoption or measurable business value, that activity stays fragmented. Giving people access to AI tools is only the starting point. The real work is showing employees where AI fits, what good use looks like, and how it connects to the outcomes the business is trying to achieve. See, a few years ago, organizations were talking about digital transformation, and AI has changed a lot over the past decade. The goal back then was to remove low-value work so employees could focus on more strategic activities. AI is accelerating that shift even further and faster. Now, AI can retrieve information, synthesize knowledge, and automate parts of work that previously required significant human effort. The challenge is now helping organizations understand how AI changes workflows, collaboration, decision-making, and ultimately how work itself is structured. This is as much a change management challenge as it is a technology challenge. AI is changing how organizations think about productivity, collaboration, and the role employees play inside the business altogether. Organizations are entering a future where employees increasingly work alongside AI assistants, co-pilots, and autonomous tools as part of everyday operations. That creates entirely new expectations around speed, decision-making, and frankly, how teams collaborate. The organizations seeing the most success are not treating AI as a one-time technology rollout. They're building a workforce transformation journey where employees are supported, enabled, and given time to adapt. That shift from experimentation to confident adoption is what allows AI to become part of day-to-day work and create meaningful business outcomes. As AI takes on more repetitive, process-driven work, human capability becomes even more important. Leadership, creativity, communication, judgment, and strategic thinking become the capabilities that differentiate organizations moving forward. The future of work will be defined by how organizations help people adapt. AI can change the task, the workflow, and the speed of decision-making. The value for organizations will come when they combine AI adoption with strong human leadership and workforce readiness.